Hello everyone, my name is Bianca and this is my sign name. I am a member of Sunshine 2.0. Welcome to my virtual activity on a sustainable practice called an irrigation system with a modern and ancient outlook. Here are some things you can expect from this activity. First, we will cover ancient sustainable efforts such as basin irrigation system with its origin, history, and how it works. We will compare them to modern systems you would see today. Finally, you will build your own irrigation system. There is one optional item you can bring, which are coins, which helps weigh down the unstable cups. Make sure you're in a work area you're able to spill water in, such as a sink, tub, or outdoors. Most importantly, we are using the X-Acto knife, which is very sharp, so please use with parental guidance. Now you're all set. Let's get started. Some of you may have experienced being on a farm before. You'd see fields and rows of crops stretching before you. Did you know there are many kinds of farming and agriculture techniques? Some date as far back as ancient Egyptian times. I want to focus on the ancient basin irrigation. What is that? This is how it works. The ancient basin irrigation is a water management system with a crisscross canal network. The water pouring in will fill up the canals, saturate in soil, then allow the overflowing water to drain into a lower canal system. This system was developed as far back as 4000 BC in ancient Egypt. The Nile River is their water source for growing food and drinking water. Over time, their technique was refined into what they call a basin irrigation. Despite living in a desert, the ancient Egyptians were successful in growing a variety of vegetables, fruits, flowers, and herbs for the local communities, all thanks to this system. Now that you know and understand how the basin irrigation system works, it's time to apply your knowledge and build your own. Gather all your materials and bring them to your work area. Pause the video to get set up, and at any time to complete the steps at your own pace. Step 1. Grab a cup and use the X-Acto knife to make 2 small X-shaped slits on opposite sides. It needs to be 1/3 from the top of the cup. Go ahead and try. For step 2, grab 2 more cups and your knife to make one X-shaped slit in each cup, about 1/3 from the bottom. Those slits need to be lower than the slits in the first cup. You'll see why. Go ahead and get started. Next, grab 2 straws and connect them to the middle cup by poking through the slits on both sides. Then you'll connect to the other cups through their slits. I'll show you how. It might get awkward with your cups because of the straws. If needed, you can cut the tips of the straw with a knife or scissors. This is how it should look. Next, add small pieces of modeling clay to form a seal around the straws on each cup to prevent water from leaking out. I already added some to my cup, but I will add more to secure it. It looks secure. Are you ready to see what's next? If you're having trouble getting your cups to sit still because of the straws, put a few coins into each cup like this. They will help weigh the cups down. Finally, slowly pour water into the central cup. You can pretend this cup represents a natural water source, like a river, lake, or an area that receives rainfall. The other cups represent locations without water. As you observe this, what happens when the water reaches the straws? Let's find out. Okay, I am ready to pour the water now. Remember, this will get messy with water spilling everywhere. I will have a towel on the table and floor under the cups. Are you ready? Let's do it. Wow, check that out. Go ahead and try yourself. Don't forget to put down your results. Let's analyze the results. What you should see when you're pouring water into central cup, the water should overflow into the 2 cups when it reaches the straws. This is occurring because gravity is pulling water out of the straws and into a downward angle. Secondly, the water poured into the 2 cups should be even. The straw heights need to be the same, or it will come out with 1 cup having more than the other, like this. When you don't see the results you want, go ahead and make the necessary changes and try again. Are you up for a challenge? I have some ideas for you to explore and experiment with on your own. Great job, everybody. I'm so impressed. I will close by saying that anyone can build a basic irrigation system and develop it further to be more complex or bigger to support a garden. This is a useful skill to have if you want to grow food for yourself, your family, or the community. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you all have fun. If you're in 12th grade or under, please fill out the sign-up form on our website. You can also book us for performances or workshops in the future. I am Bianca with Sunshine 2.0. Thank you for watching. Bye.